One, set. Well, last year was the 5th time that the Grisham Honors Band has performed at Midwest, but this year, being our 6th, was the first time that Grisham has ever had a chamber ensemble perform. We found out a couple months ago that we were named the Southwestern Division winner, so there's 2 rounds for the award, and that means that we won kind of the Southwestern Division of the United States. So we were the winner in that, and then that automatically puts us through to the final round for the national award. They announced the 3 high schools that won, and then they announced the middle school winner, and they said Grisham Middle School, and I was floored. I could not believe it. So it was absolutely incredible. Such an honor.
It was amazing. It feels like an amazing accomplishment.
It's so cool that we're the only school in the nation to win this award, and it shows how hard we're working.
I think it's pretty cool. To be a part of that is great for this band program and just for like the school in general.
It's really an honor anytime we have an award or a recognition, but again, I go back to the kids. The kids are what make any of this possible. They have raised the bar every single year that I've been here, and it's been absolutely incredible to see the growth and the payoff each year.
It's worth it. Like, it's really fun. Like, it might be hard at first, but it's like the hard work pays off because it's so much fun. I've found my family there.
We are the Grisham Band, and this is a Classroom Closeup.